Historically, consumers have labeled food as either healthy or unhealthy when making purchasing decisions with wellness in mind. This shift has consumers looking for baked goods with functional ingredients like protein, grains, or fiber to help them meet their own health and wellness goals. They're gravitating away from ingredients not perceived as natural. Particularly in the wake of COVID-19, consumers are looking for a more holistic approach in considering food choices that contribute to their overall definition of wellness. Instead of committing to one diet or fad, consumers are incorporating ideas from keto and low-carb diets or looking for labels with call-outs such as low sodium or plant-based. With apps like MyFitnessPal or Weight Watchers, the consumer is more aware than ever about micronutrients. To appeal to these consumers, companies should consider building up their digital communication channels and clearly inform their customers about the natural and functional ingredients being used in their products. By using transparent language and a finely tuned message, bakers can become prime contenders in the wellness race. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date on the latest food news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.